Nik Sik. Since the last devlog, I've added quite a few new features. First of all, there's now a craving stat that goes up when the character isn't vaping. And the first thing that happens when your craving starts going up is you get like a red eye sort of effect around the edges of the screen. And once it hits a certain threshold, which is set to 50 right now, these new monsters will start spawning. And we'll wait till it gets up to there. There's the red eye effect coming in. And then at 50, you'll get these new monsters. There's one. And these guys, when you're in their line of sight, they will up your sickness value pretty quickly. And then the sickness goes up when you're vaping or when those guys are looking at you. And the first effect you get from sickness is the little green vignette you can see. And then you get a like nausea effect like from Minecraft, which scales with how sick you are. And once you're past 60, you also start to throw up, which you already saw, but it sort of locks you in place for a second and you puke and then you can start moving again. There is a way to restore sickness, which is beers right now. And you can drink those and the liquid level goes down. And your sickness also goes down. Your sickness also just goes down naturally while you're doing nothing. And obviously the craving level will go down while you're vaping. I also added these cigarettes and a cigarette case. And the intention with these will be like they're kind of like flares where they'll be super bright for a second. And they'll bump up your sickness pretty high for a second too. And you can put cigarettes in the case to conserve inventory space. Pop that in the inventory. And also added these lockers, which will be used for like random generation of items. And I'm working on a system for selling items too. So I'll have some sort of basket thing that you can put items in, and then it'll tally up the value, and you can click the button to sell the items. Last thing I added were these outlets. I'm going to have some sort of charging station thing instead, but right now you can just pop the vape onto the outlet and it'll continuously charge it. And I think that's about it. Thanks for checking the game out, and leave any comments if you got any questions.